Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to continue class 10 science passing package key answer. This is part 4. So now let us continue this one. So in the part 4 the first question is define resistivity. Define resistivity. So resistivity is defined as the property of a material which is defined as resistance of a material in a particular direction, in a particular dimension. The property of a material which is defined as the resistance of a material in a particular dimension. SI unit is ohm meter. So this is the first question of part 4. Define resistivity, the property of a material which is defined as resistance of a material in a particular dimension. SI unit is ohm meter. Then coming to the second question, define resistance. On what factors does resistance of a conductor depends? So now question is define resistance. On what factor does the resistance of a conductor depends? So define resistance. The opposition offered for the flow of current. Is called as resistance. So resistance depends upon the following factors. It depends upon length of the conductor. First point. Second point is it depends upon nature of material. Third point, it depends upon area of cross section. Then fourth point is it depends upon temperature of conductor. Therefore, R is equal to rho L by A. So how to define resistance? The opposition offered for the flow of current. On what factor does the resistance of a conductor depends? It depends upon length of the conductor. It depends upon nature of material. It depends upon area of cross section. And it depends upon temperature of conductor. So R is equal to rho L by A. So this is how to define resistance and on what factor does the resistance of a conductor depends. Now the third question is differentiate between roasting and calcination. So let us differentiate between roasting and calcination. So one side roasting ಬರ್ಕೋಣ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು side calcination ಬರ್ಕೋಣ. So let us differentiate between roasting and calcination. So roasting ಗೆ ಬರೋಣ. Ore is heated in presence of ore is heated in presence of oxygen. This side, ore is heated in absence of oxygen. In absence of oxygen. This is the first difference between roasting and calcination. Then second difference is that is roasting. It is used for sulfide ore. It is used for sulfide ore. Calcination. It is used for carbonate ore. It is used for carbonate ore. So this is the second difference between roasting and calcination. Then the third point is that it produces sulfur dioxide. ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬರೋಣ. It produces carbon dioxide. So these are the differences between roasting and calcination. Roasting, ore is heated in presence of oxygen. Calcination, ore is heated in absence of oxygen. So roasting, it is used for sulfide ore. Calcination, it is used for carbonate ore. Roasting, it produces sulfur dioxide. Calcination, it produces carbon dioxide. So this is the third question. And the last question of part 4 is draw a neat labeled diagram. Draw a neat labeled diagram of human heart. So we have to write the diagram of human heart. So let us see the questions which will be in part 4. Define resistivity, the property of a material which is defined as the resistance of a material in a particular dimension. SI unit is ohm meter. Define resistance, and on what factor does the resistance of a conductor depends? The opposition offered for the flow of current. It depends upon length of the conductor, nature of material, area of cross section, temperature of the conductor. R is equal to rho L by A. Differentiate between roasting and calcination. Ore is heated in presence of oxygen. Ore is heated in absence of oxygen. It is used for sulfide ore. It is used for carbonate ore. It produces sulfur dioxide. It produces carbon dioxide. And the fourth question is draw a neat label diagram of human heart. So ಇದಿಷ್ಟನ್ನು ನಾವು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ 4 ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಕಲಿಸಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನ ನಾವು we have to build a confidence in them. ಈ ಥರ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಜೊತೆ ನಾವು ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಒಂದು ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಡೈಲಿ 3 ಕ್ವಶನ್ನು ಒಂದು ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಬರೆಸ್ತಾ ಹೋದರೆ ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ದೇ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸ್ಕೋರ್ more than 50 marks. Thank you very much.